President William RUTO ni ugite ni acakaite ikuo cia andu hamwe na uthukangia wa indo kurumirira mirurungano iria ikoretwo igitabanio ni MUMO wa Gen Z iria yambiriirie makiria ma mweri umwe muhituku icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi. Kurumirira uthukangio uyu uria ucungiriirie ikuo na andu angi gucoka na thutha ihinda-ini riri, President ni ugite thirikari ni kumanyitirira nginyanagia meyukiririe ringi guku agiatha ministry iria irakuruhana na guteithiriria muingi uyu gukorwo iheanite maritwa maria othe macungiriirio hathara hamwe na family iria itete endwa ao ihinda-ini ria thiku 30.
This is not how and where our democracy should proceed, and we must do all we can to ensure that this does not occur again in future. We'll provide necessary support to all families and citizens who lost their loved ones.
Kurumirira mirurungano eno kihiri kia andu ni giikitio ngono guku angi magikinyio magoti-ini na mahitia matiganite, no President ni athite honge cia ugitiri imarekererie na mehererio thitango ici.
People who may have been innocently caught up on the wrong side of things and those not implicated in crimes be released and charges against them withdrawn. This will enable the agencies to focus their resources, efforts, and time in investigating and prosecuting serious criminal elements who took advantage of peaceful demonstrations to advance a dangerous agenda.
President ni gukorwo akiendekithia mogaruruku watho-ini wa kuruta uira na wikinai niguo thuthuria wa naihenya ukorwo gitabanio hamwe na guikio ngono kwa aria othe mekunyitikana na mahitia ma wikinai, ungumania na mahitia mangi ma uhuthiri muru wa wici wa indo cia muingi ihinda-ini ria mieri 6 hamwe na kwendekithia mogaruruku watho-ini wa kugitira aira niguo kumagitira kiwatho hindi ria mararuta wira wao wigie wikinai kana ungumania.
To overhaul the statutory and institutional framework to protect and incentivize whistleblowers and enhance witness protection, making it easier and safer for citizens to come forward and report corruption as well as other criminal activities.
RUTO ni ikitie ritana kuri ruhonge rwa borithi gutabanagia wira wao na wigiririki makirumirira gatiba guku akiuga aria mekunyitikana magararite watho matashukirio makinya hatari kunirwo ritho.
All breaches and violations by police officers must be handled expeditiously through due process with a view to giving Kenyans a police service that upholds the highest standards of integrity.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.